Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Google AdSense to Wix website. First, open your browser and then search Google AdSense. Then, go to the first link. Once you're here, click on Get Started. If you have an account already, you can skip this part. Now, click on the Gmail you want to use. From here, click on Let's Go on Sites on the bottom right. Here, as you can see, I have Wix on my Connect Your site. Just click on Go to Wix. On the next page, click on Add to Site on Google AdSense. On the next page, just select your site. Now, as you can see, Google AdSense is being added to your Wix store. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.